Hi, my name is Megan Gonzalez, and I am an avid tutor, and I am sponsored by Student Success.
Hi, this is Megan Gonzalez, and I am a tutor for the English 1301, 1302, Comp 1, Comp 2 classes. And when you are in the Comp 1, Comp 2 classes, you will most definitely be required to write various essays on various topics. So today I'd like to talk to you about essay magic, utilizing the 5 paragraph essay format. Okay, now the first thing is whenever you get your topic, you know you're going to have certain things you're going to want to talk about. Okay, so when you know about the 5 essay paragraph, it's basically this. You're going to have an introduction, which is 1 paragraph. You're going to have 3 body paragraphs, which are basically your 3 points, whatever you want to talk about, and your conclusion. Your introduction is when you start getting your reader interested in whatever you're going to talk about. You're going to introduce your topic, you're going to introduce why you're writing the paper, and basically just introduce your 3 main points, whatever you're going to talk about. Your first paragraph is going to be about your first topic, your second paragraph, your second topic, third paragraph, third topic, and in your conclusion, you'll just want to sum it up again and just reiterate exactly what you were talking about. Okay, now in order to facilitate this, you may be thinking, how am I going to start that? How do I want to write it? Well, most of the time, and especially in Comp 1, you're going to be required to do an outline. Now, an outline looks something like this. You're going to have the title of the essay, you're going to have an introduction, you're going to have your background information, your thesis statement, and of course that'll go into your main topic, second main topic, third main topic, and your conclusion. If you want to see an example of that, I have one right here. See, this is an example I have of research paper proposal, which I did in the 5 paragraph essay format. This is not for Comp 1, Comp 2 classes or for my geography class, but as you can see, it's something that'll go with you all the way through your courses. Right here I have an introduction, I have my thesis statement, the reason why I'm writing this paper, and then I have my first point, situations in Mexico, air pollution effects, and Mexico City's future. And then of course I have my conclusion. And at the end I have my works cited. Okay. So going off of this, how exactly are you going to write it? Some people like to do something like this. This is computer generated, but of course you could write it out. You could start off with, this is basically thought of as a thought web, thought cloud. You'd have your main topic, and then you'd have maybe 2 or 3 at least 3 points that you'd like to talk about, and then you could add things in here. If you were going to talk about, I don't know, whatever you wanted to talk about here. Let's say you had a topic based on pollution. You might choose a certain city that you want to talk about, and then you might have examples of from that city, and you could keep going. Alright, now whenever you're working on it, you're going to have a basic outline, you're going to have an intro point, your sub point, and then your examples. When you set these up, it's basically you start with your introduction, your points, and your conclusion, and then you'll be formatting it with the Roman numerals. And then of course every sub point under that, it'll be under your your alphabet, and then everything under that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's basically the main way to set it up. Of course, when you're looking at it and you really don't know exactly how to go, there are many resources on the internet. As you can see, these were just a couple. And it's really quite easy to get to them. If all you have to do is start typing in, if you go to Google, you can start typing in 5 paragraph essay. And there's so many how-tos. You can go, there's online websites, there's even images you can see. Other people have done stuff where they make them look like hamburgers. It tells you, the introduction is like the bun, and then the 3 different topics are like the 3 patties, and your conclusion is like the meat. There are basically countless ways that you can look this up. There's also different sites if you don't know exactly what type of format paper you're writing. There's something called Owl Purdue, and it is a great website as far as formatting any type of skills really you want to do as far as writing. You can pretty much find something here. You can even put in right here, again, 5 paragraph, or actually you could write in essay writing. And it'll actually bring it up for you. There's essay writing, there's overviews. This will actually even go through the MLA APA guidelines if you're teacher specific about what kind of format you need. There's also examples of the actual essay formats themselves. There's expository, descriptive, narrative, argumentative. It's really all a matter of what your teacher is requiring and what you feel most comfortable with. And of course, as I said, there's many different websites you can look up. Many of them are by different colleges when you look them up. It'll actually have where it's actually coming from right here, and you can see some of them are from different universities you might want to look into. Basically, the sky's the limit, so that's why there is Essay Magic. One of the most trusted ways is the 5-paragraph essay. Again, it's the introduction, your 3 points, and your conclusion. Introduction, you want to tell them what you're going to tell them. You tell them in your 3 points, and then in conclusion, you tell them once again. And that wraps it up. That's your magic.
Once again, my name is Megan Gonzalez, and I am an AVID tutor sponsored by Student Success.